If you have been uploading your videos as just public, you are making a huge mistake. And that may be the reason you are not getting views, subscribers, or any real engagement. See, there is a specific upload strategies YouTubers use to trigger the algorithm before a video ever goes live. And today, I am going to break it down step by step so you can finally get the views you deserve. Stick around because I am going to show you a simple change I made that got one of my videos pushed to over 500 views in 24 hours. If this is the kind of video you want to see today, please hit that like and subscribe button. That is if you want to grow on YouTube with me. So let's dive into it. The first thing you are going to just have at the back of mind is uploading your videos the right way. Yes, uploading your video is not just about dragging and dropping a file on the YouTube platform. If you want more views, here is the right way to upload your videos. The first thing is upload as unlisted, not public. Why? Because this will give YouTube time to process your videos in HD and generate subtitles and test how your titles and thumbnails perform before it is shown to the public, like before people start seeing it on YouTube. Example now, I uploaded a video as unlisted and I shared it to about 10 trusted of my friends so that I can get comments and early engagement. And once I made it public, YouTube started pushing it hard. Like YouTube pushed it hard. That is an instant boost, right? The second thing is to optimize your title and thumbnail first. Yes, make your title clickable. Make sure you include keywords and a curiosity-driven word title. Like when people are scrolling on YouTube, they are not going to resist your videos. Okay, design your thumbnail in a way that it can tell a story just in one glance. Like when people see it, like it has already tell what the video is all about. Okay, the next step is schedule, not publish immediately. Yes, scheduling your video or putting it as premiums allows YouTube to prepare your video in the back end, especially for mobiles and smart TV audience. Yes, when you're putting your video as scheduled or private, it gives YouTube time to synchronize on your on your video. So this is what most YouTubers do. For example, now if a particular YouTuber tells you that their video will be dropping, let me say by 5 p.m., it doesn't mean that that exact 5 p.m. is when they uploaded their video. They have already uploaded their video in their channel. Yes, and now waiting for that particular time to make that video go public. That is to say that they are keeping what consistency and what being on the rightful fame. Make sure you are putting your video under private, unlisted, schedule, or what set as what premium. In that way, you are giving the YouTube room to digest your video and know the type of audience they will push your videos to. Okay, my candid advice for you is not don't just hit public right away if your thumbnail, your title, or your description are not yet ready. Don't be in the rush to upload your videos, because if you don't optimize all these things, you are not going to get the views. Okay, don't change your thumbnail or title in the first 24 hours. Yes, I know that you might hear it. A lot of YouTubers will say you should change your thumbnail after 24 hours or this. Yes, they are somehow correct. Yes, but don't change it once it is not yet 24 hours, unless it is under performing. YouTube needs consistency for the first push. Yes, if you want YouTube to be pushing your video, for YouTube to be recommending your video, you gonna be consistent. You need to be consistent. Okay, so this is my pro tips that I want to give you for you that is watching me right now. Avoid the private. public method. That doesn't help with pre-engagement or algorithm what signal. Like it doesn't signal the YouTube algorithm. Rather, you put it under what unlisted. Okay, and that unlisted is only people that have the link to that particular video. I mean, people that you share the link or something like that that have the access to that what to that video. But once it goes live, everybody gonna see what the video. Okay, so what does the algorithm really want that will actually get you views? The algorithm wants high click-through rate. Yes, if your thumbnail and title doesn't match, like your thumbnail and title needs to be a combo that needs to make people to stop scrolling and click on your video. The algorithm like high average view duration because that is what YouTube is meant for. YouTube is designed for people to stay as long as possible on the platform. So you need to make your video to keep people watching longer with teases and curiosity words loops. The algorithm also love strong word section. Yes, if your video should lead viewers to more of your content, that is a good bonus for you. So make sure you are going to use end screen and pin comments, even cards, okay, to link them to other of your videos, because those settings you call tiny settings are the ones that are going to blow up your channel. So I'm going to give you a tip that is going to boost your videos. Make sure you use this format. For example, now how I got 1000 views in one day by changing this one setting. And make sure you add chapters and timestamps because YouTube loves structure. YouTube loves when you structure your video in the way that it is easy for viewers to navigate. Let me tell you a story of mine. When I started, I used to upload my videos instantly, and I wonder why no one is watching my videos. And immediately I started uploading it as unlisted. I started focusing on my title, I started focusing on my thumbnail first, and learn on how to build an early word engagement. And that is when my views started taking off. I think so. Yes, that is when my views started taking off. So if you want more views, you need to stop uploading the wrong way. Start optimizing before you go public. Don't be in a rush to upload your videos, because if you be in a rush to upload it, no one is going to watch. Because if you upload a video that is not well optimized, YouTube is not going to push it. And another one is it will trigger the algorithm with smart timing and strategy by putting the chapters, the end screen, the cards, and the timestamp. Any of them. Hit that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to the family if you really want to grow on YouTube with me. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.